Global Industrial Automation Market Forecast to 2023. Markets Research Future latest report reveals that the global industrial automation market is set to have a CAGR of 9.35% from 2018 to 2023. The market is poised to reach a valuation of $216.5 billion by 2023 and up from $128.63 billion in 2017. The fixed automation segment was the largest in 2017 and generated a revenue of $94.35 billion. The automotive and transportation segment was the largest in 2017 and accounted for $23.78 billion in 2017, while the food and beverage segment is expected to grow at the fastest rate of 12.34% during the forecast period. Regionally, Europe is the largest market and accounted for $49.21 billion in 2017. North America is the second largest market for industrial automation and attained $37.92 billion in 2017. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.